Hello friends, welcome to Pettsson's Retro Kitchen. Today we start a new series when I cook a lot of food from the card. With cooking recipes from the 1970s and, well, excuse my Swedish accent, but the food is authentic. So if you think it's too much cream in my videos or ananas, it's not. But in the 70s, this was a modern cooking, quick, easy, and maybe not so healthy, but very popular. They have an idea. We don't measure too much in the 70s. We just add and hope for the best. Oh my God. So thank you for watching and see you next time in the 70s. Bye.